Let's find another one. Me? Nothing, I'm just sitting. Why? Because not allowed playing music, no? Because it's Muharram. So you have to play Azza. Hambasahaya, the one in the picture is my husband and my son. The one you see in the picture, that is my son and my husband. My ate, you know, I was live. Yeah, I went there, no? Why you are rounding and you was in live? It's not good. Crazy. Why you are going? It's not good if you are on live and then you go out in your main channel and you go other live. You do live? No, I make hi to you also. I like your live also. I make thumbs up. Why you are here? Anyway, I will play you. I will put you in my list. OTW. Wait lang, punta ako sa ano ko. Tay, tapos na ang ano, Tay. Mamaya na ako mag-play nitong ano. I-play kita ulit, Tay. Later. Nag-play na ako ng dalawang ano, Tay. Dalawang video sa'yo. Balikan kita mamaya pag ano.